I think I messed up. I thought being healthy was hard, but it's actually pretty simple. Let me show you how. First things first, start your day with a big glass of water. Hydration is key to kickstarting your energy and mood. Next, move your body. Whether it's a walk, a dance-off in your living room, or some yoga, just get moving. Now let's talk food. Fill your plate with colorful fruits and veggies. Think of it as eating a rainbow. These foods are packed with vitamins that boost your happiness and health. Don't forget to take breaks. Step away from work or your screen and take a moment to breathe. Deep breaths can reduce stress and make you feel more relaxed. Finally, sleep. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep every night. Good sleep helps your body recover and keeps your mind sharp and happy. There you have it. Simple steps to a healthier, happier you. Stay hydrated, keep moving, eat the rainbow, take breaks, and get your beauty sleep. Remember, small changes add up to big results. You've got this. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share these tips with your friends. Let's make the world a healthier, happier place, one step at a time.